Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2009 Honda Odyssey. Right now, I'm doing the oil change service. Your 17 millimeter drain bolt here. Engine have a little bit of oil leak from the valve cover coming down. I'm doing this at home. You can see the oil is very dirty. Forgot to buy the washer for this, but I'm checking the washer. This one still look okay condition, so I can reuse it. So you're gonna snug it a little bit where it gets tight, and then just snug it a little bit, and that's it. There you go, that's it. Don't have to be crazy tight. Wipe the spot. Now I'm gonna get to the oil filter. Oil filter is on the side right here. Broke it loose already. I'm gonna let it drain. There you go. I got the new oil filter here, and that's the part number, micro guard. Put a little bit of oil on the O-ring. Clean the oil filter housing, and then put in your new oil filter. Just hand tighten, not too crazy. There you go. That's it. I have the new oil here, Mobile One. This one used 530. I'm gonna put in 5.5 quarts and then check it. Put in 5.5 quarts already. Now I'm gonna check the oil dipstick. You can see it's on the high mark, a little bit over the high mark here. This is perfect because the oil filter is gonna take it down a bit, so it'll be perfect. Now I'm gonna key on and reset the oil life. So I'm gonna key on. So you're gonna toggle through the menu. So right now, maintenance is due. The light, the wrench is on. That's why it pop up the oil life right away. But you wanna press the trip button here, get to oil life, press and hold it for 10 seconds. Press and hold. Hold it for about 10 seconds to flash. Keep holding it. Press and hold again till it reset to 100. That's it. Turn off the car, turn it back on, and the wrench should go away. There you go, that's it. So that's how you do the oil maintenance on the Honda Odyssey. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I see you guys on the next video. I'm out. Peace.